At Pacific Blue Engineering, we help companies design, modernize, and support the automation and control systems that keep their operations running safely, reliably, and efficiently.
Pacific Blue Engineering offers a lot of different services, from panel design to electrical install to automation and controls work, from ground up to turnkey solutions.
Pacific Blue Engineering serves every industry that needs controls and automation for what they do. That includes transportation, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, space exploration, themed entertainment.
But they all start with the customer trying to improve some aspect of their operation. That might be automating a new process, integrating equipment from multiple vendors, improving functional safety, reducing downtime, or making better use of operational data.
We start by understanding the process, not the technology. Before we think about PLCs, networks, or software, we spend time learning about how the operation works, what challenges the team faces, and what they're trying to accomplish.